Hello, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to quick and easily fix Instagram error. Please wait a few minutes before you try again problem. You may have seen this problem whenever you are trying to log in to your Instagram account. Now to fix it, the first thing you want to do, you want to close the app. After you have closed the app, you want to press down on the app icon and you're going to tap on the I right beside the app name right here. And you want to go into storage as you want to clear the cache and clear data. So you're going to tap on both. After you have cleared the cache and clear data, you're going to close out of that. And Instagram more than likely have blocked your IP address. So you're going to need to go into Play Store and you're going to need to download a VPN. I would recommend that you download this VPN as it's completely free and it's highly rated, as you can see here. After you have downloaded the VPN, you'll simply connect it. And once you have connected it, you'll simply try to log back into Instagram again, and that will fix the problem. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.